Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back. And yesterday was May 15th, my 9-year lock anniversary. Congratulations to me! So I've had my locks for 9 years now. My locks are somewhere in my butt length, like I guess halfway through my butt. I think that's safe to say. And yeah, it's been a long time. It's been a long time. At this point, you guys probably can, ooh, I know y'all can see that. You see all those like red and brown patches coming back? You know, I've had my hair reddish for years, so I guess it's just really hard for me to get rid of it all. So I will be touching up my hair color and coloring it black again so that it's nice and uniform and clean and black looking. So I'll be doing that soon. Probably in the next couple days I'll be doing that. I recently did a length check video, so I won't be doing a length check as far as measuring it, since I did that a couple weeks ago, I feel like. Maybe last month, I don't know. And yeah, my hair has definitely gotten longer since year 8. However, I have trimmed more locks since then. As my locks, and as with pretty much everyone's locks, as they get longer and older, I should say, as they get older, they get more compact and they just get weaker. It's hair. Think about how people who don't have locks, how they have to trim their hair regularly or else it breaks off. So since we, with our locks, we still have those hairs that we would have trimmed away a long time ago if we weren't locked. So those hairs are weaker and sometimes they thin out, and that happens especially when your locks aren't like super thick. Mine are pretty traditional size, so they do thin out, and I do have to trim them here and there. So I have trimmed some, so I'm not at the length I would have been at if I didn't trim any locks throughout my entire 9 years, but I'm pretty close because I haven't trimmed that many. I feel like maybe I've trimmed 10 or so over the years. So yeah, I don't have a retwist, and I didn't feel like it, but I will retwist it the next time oh, a spider, great. I will retwist it the next time I color it. Okay, it's a spider on the windowsill. I'm not gonna show you guys that because I don't want to see it while I'm editing. But so let me wrap this up. I'm gonna show you guys pictures of my hair, how long it's fallen right now. Thanks for, you know, joining me along my journey all these years, and for those of you who are new to my channel, thanks for coming along. What else? Thanks for always supporting me and my business, my shop, KeishaCharmaine.com. My oils are out of stock. If you're watching this right now, like mid-May, my oils are out of stock and they'll be back in stock by the end of the month. So definitely check back towards the end of the month and you'll see that I have an abundance of oils again. It's been very difficult trying to keep up with the demand. It takes a while for the oils to make because they're infused with herbs, so it takes about 2 weeks for the herbs to infuse. So if I'm missing an ingredient and all that kind of things, it's really delays the process. So bear with me. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate you. I don't feel like I express gratitude enough, but I'm really, really, really grateful for you guys. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my pictures. Oh, love, light, and locks.